once you go outside, out dark, it automatically dim. So let's see. How fast it will dim or it will dark. Now it's starting, but not that much. Okay, still it's still bright. The sun's still bright. So you still need tent or eyeglass when you're wearing this one. Let's go and make a review on this Bell Star helmet. This is a Dell X series. Dell X series has two visors included inside the box. The clear one and this I'm using now, photochromic visor. As you can see, this visor, this photochromic visor is now light smoke. But it's good to have this one even it's just a light smoke. And if you can see on the picture before, it's clear, after is a light smoke. But I expected too much. I thought it's gonna be fully black, same as the picture, but I feel like it's just in the middle, you can see. But actually it's the same as the last one, the picture. Choose this helmet because of the way it looks. It's more slim and it's like more compact, and especially the safety feature, the MIPS technology. So I think it's way better than the other helmet. If you're against the light or the sun is in front of you, and you can see on the this small video, it's not that dark, the visor, but it's better than the clear one. So if you really want to have the more dark visor, it's better to buy a full black or dark visor, dark black visor. And if you're just the sun is behind you, or it's not you're not against the light, it's fine. This one is good quality already if you're not facing the sun. Regarding with this ventilation, I think this one is good because too much air coming inside, even though the vents are closed, top vent, and now the air is rushing inside my helmet under this chain cord thing. Even the mouth vent is closed, and also the top vent, and what I call it, this one, eyebrow vent. This helmet is a bit noisy. Even if you can see we're running 110 to 20 like that, you can hear air rushing outside, and exhaust slip on. I'm using a temper slip on. You can hear the noise, especially 140. And once you go fast, you can hear more noise, but not that much. It will just increase like a 10%, with the vents closed. Let's see, let's try to go fast. Now we are reaching 175. So yeah, you can hear additional noise, but not too much. It's just like 10%. Now let's open the vents, the mouth vent and the eyebrow vent and top vent. So let's try. Now you can feel the air coming inside the helmet, more air, and I think it will be nice during summertime. And the noise is just almost the same. Doesn't increase too much if you open the from closed vents, and when you open all the vents together, it's all just the same noise. Now that all vents are open, let's try to go fast and see how noisy this helmet is. Okay, now we are running 143, 147, and yeah, let's try on 147 because this one is an open area, it's a bridge, so more air coming, and you cannot feel that much air or more additional air noise rushing. It's just the same almost. Can differentiate the noise from a closed vent and the open vent. It's just all the same. Maybe there's a difference, but unrecognizable. And be careful here with the speed limit. Hope I will not be caught for overspeeding, because I just do this just now, or I mean if it is safe to go fast, I'll do it. Just be careful outside. 160. Yeah, almost the same with the vent closed. And I put some foam near the strap, where that strap is attached. There's a blank space, or there's a space. I put some foam to fill in to reduce some noise. So it feel a little bit better than there's no foam near that strap attachment, or where the foam or where the strap is attached to the helmet. Even it's full volume above 100 km/h, somebody's calling, you can barely hear his voice. You can understand your conversation much better if you slow down, so you can hear each other well. Because of the wind and the exhaust sound, it's noisy, so much better to remove or reduce some noise from conversation. But much better if you go slow down, so you can hear very well. This thing, you can see there's a blank space where the helmet strap installed, so I cut this foam, put it inside this space. If you can see, just put it inside like that, and it helped a bit I feel it for me it feel better than without that foam inside that space. Just press it, just compress it inside, just push so it will fit. Like that. Now it's okay. And also just do the same on the other side. Or big foam, more foam, I think much better. Helmet, there's what we call it, there's additional view for like changing lane. It's helpful, you can see that one. Yeah, it's a bit helpful when changing lane left or right. It's good to have this one, just a small upgrade with wheel helmet, but it's helpful. And it said it's compatible with eyeglasses or sunglasses. If you can see on the video, I put my sunglasses on, and this helmet it's really fit very well. So when once you put the sunglass, it's very tight. It's almost like compressing your when you put the sunglass on. But it's good. It's not, maybe after a while fits nice because it's a very tight helmet. When you put it on, it's like a little bit squeezing my ear. And this is another feature is they call magnification magnets. This magnet is a bit useful to have on this helmet. Once you get used to it, there's a downside. Once you put the helmet on the gas tank, the magnet will stick on your gas tank, and that happened to me 3 times. But I checked always the gas tank, there's no scratch, so it will be fine when the helmet magnet sticks on your gas tank. So that's all for this Belstar helmet BLX series. So if you want to buy this helmet, there's a warning for this one. You need to go one size higher, because on AGV I used a small size, and on this helmet I get the medium one. And I almost forgot, I really like how rear exhaust vents and spoiler looks.